Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying the exact solid flux formulation and surface compatibility. This matters for residues and cleaning. Once confirmed, warm the workpiece to roughly 40-60 degrees C to lower viscosity and improve spread. Then, apply a measured 0.51 0-gram bead of flux paste directly to pads or component leads, spread thinly with a spatula. Make sure to keep moves deliberate and steady, because good initial placement prevents bridging and reduces rework later. You now integrate the solid flux into the soldering sequence to activate its cleaning and wetting action. Heat the joint to the specified range, about 300-350 degrees C for leaded alloys and higher for lead-free, and introduce solder incrementally so the flux can decompose and remove oxides. Once the first tack forms, realign components if needed, then apply final solder to achieve full fillet coverage. This staged approach ensures consistent thermal transfer and prevents cold joints while the flux does its job. You finish by letting assemblies cool slowly to room temperature, which prevents thermal shock and preserves joint integrity. Once cooled, inspect every connection closely under magnification and decide if cleaning is necessary. Use IPA or the manufacturer's solvent for residue removal. If you see bridging, dull surfaces, or lack of wetting, don't panic. Reheat the area, apply a small amount of flux, and reflow with controlled heat. This targeted rework corrects most issues without full rework or component replacement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.